In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Smartsheet not working step by step. If Smartsheet is freezing, not loading, showing errors, or certain features aren't responding, don't worry. I'll walk you through the most effective troubleshooting methods to get everything back up and running quickly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is simply refreshing Smartsheet. Sometimes the issue is temporary and caused by a minor loading glitch. Go to your Smartsheet tab in your browser and click the refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Wait for the page to fully reload and see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, especially if a sheet is stuck loading or not updating properly, a quick refresh fixes it instantly. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check the Smartsheet server status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Open a new tab and search for Smartsheet status page. This will show you whether Smartsheet is experiencing outages or service disruptions. If there's a reported issue, you'll need to wait until their team resolves it. There's nothing wrong with your account in that case, and knowing this can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting. If Smartsheet servers are running normally, the next step is to log out and log back in again. Click on your profile icon inside Smartsheet and choose the Log Out option. Once you're logged out, close the browser tab completely. Then reopen your browser, go back to smartsheet.com, and sign in again. This refreshes your session and can fix account-related glitches or authentication problems. If the issue continues, try opening Smartsheet in an Incognito window or a different browser. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito window. Then log into Smartsheet from there. If it works in incognito mode, the problem is likely caused by browser extensions, cache data, or cookies. You can also try using another browser, like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari, to see if the issue is browser-specific. Another important step is to check your permissions. If you're unable to edit a sheet, access certain features, or make changes, it could be a permissions issue. Open the sheet you're having trouble with, click on Share, and review your access level. Make sure you have editor or admin permissions if you need to make changes. If not, contact the sheet owner and request the appropriate access level. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Smartsheet to freeze, fail to save changes, or display errors. Try opening other websites to confirm your internet is working properly. If your connection seems slow, restart your router or switch to a more stable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or temporarily connecting with an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. If you're still experiencing problems, try performing smaller actions inside Smartsheet. For example, instead of making multiple changes at once or uploading a large file, try editing one row at a time or saving smaller updates. Large sheets with heavy formulas, attachments, or automation can sometimes slow performance. Breaking tasks into smaller actions can help prevent freezing or loading issues. By following these steps, refreshing the page, checking Smartsheet status, logging out and back in, trying incognito mode or another browser, verifying permissions, checking your internet connection, and performing smaller actions, you can resolve most common Smartsheet issues quickly and easily. And that's it. That's how you fix Smartsheet not working. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.